Today I'm reviewing the Klairs Fundamental Nourishing Eye Butter. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com or click on the Amazon link below. So as soon as this came out, I knew I had to try it out, and I love the Klairs brand in general. So anytime they come up with a new product, they've been coming out with a lot of stuff lately, and I'm trying to keep up with it. So although it seems like this time of year, brands don't release a lot of new products. They come out with gift sets and holiday things and not necessarily new products. Although Klairs has been keeping up steady with new products, and Paula's Choice has, and a few other brands. But anyway, so had to try it out, and I've had a good chance to try it out now. So I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on it. And Klairs calls this an eye moisturizer with sunflower seed that's rich in vitamin A and E to protect the thin skin around your eyes. And it also contains peptides to improve fine lines, suitable for everyone. And the butter-like texture helps the product be absorbed quickly. It's rich enough without being oily, so we also recommend it to oily skin types and people who don't mind overly rich eye creams. And people who mind overly rich eye creams. So, okay, I get it. So, okay, on to my first criteria, which is packaging. I love the squeeze tube. It fits in my bathroom drawer where I can fit hundreds of squeeze tubes. And I like the little needle nose applicator. It just allows for the perfect amount of product to be dispensed. So I like the packaging. And you know what? It's not like all black like a lot of tubes are, or all white. I can find it pretty easily as well. I don't know. That means something. So I'll have to do a tour of my middle drawer in my bathroom because it's shoved full of squeeze tubes. Okay, on to my second criteria, which is alcohol. This only contains one good fatty alcohol, which is cetearyl alcohol, and it doesn't contain denatured or drying types of alcohol, so that's always a good thing, especially for the eye area. You want to avoid eye creams that have a lot of denatured alcohol in them. Can just really dry out your eye area, which is super sensitive. So, and then in terms of fragrance, it has no scent and no fragrance ingredients, although it does have cinnamon bark extract in there, which is typically more so just a fragrance ingredient, although this doesn't have a high amount of that and doesn't really have any scent in it. It just can cause a little sensitivity for some people. So I did want to mention that just in case. So, and then in terms of the manufacturing location, this is made in Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use, very easy to use actually, absorbs pretty quickly. You can apply it in small dots to your eye area and then smooth it in. I recommend if you use, if you cleanse, tone, essence, and use any other serums, I recommend doing those first and then applying this and then continuing on with any sleep masks or full face moisturizers you use. So no issues with that. They recommend using this morning and evening, and it certainly can be used morning and evening. Although if you have oilier skin, I don't recommend applying it on your eyelid in the morning. But in my evening routine, I'll apply a little bit to my eyelid area, which can get a bit dry, especially in the winter. So yeah, so no real issues. Absorbs pretty quickly, doesn't pill, plays very nicely with other products. And when you think nourishing eye butter, I think smearing, I think clumping, or it doesn't do any of that. It kind of just sets to like a nice matte finish around your eye area, and it plays well with makeup. So if you apply makeup over it, there's really no issues with that. Just give it a minute to absorb it before you do any makeup or foundation or anything like that. So very, very easy to use. No issues at all with that. And a little bit goes a long way. Just be sure when you apply it to dab it on a little bit and very gently blend, because you don't want to tug on that eye area. Once you tug it, you can do some damage with the elasticity, which leads to wrinkles and bags and things like that. So gentle is better. So very easy to use. In terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, we've got some good ones. So sunflower seed oil is in there. Betaine is in there. We also have caffeine, which some people can be very sensitive to. But a lot of eye creams, you'll notice, have caffeine in there because it can help a little bit with puffiness. Caffeine can be not hydrating. What's the opposite of hydrating? It can kind of help absorb excess fluids. I don't know. I can't think of the word. But anyway, dehydrating. I don't know. Is that dehydrating? Anyway, so be aware of that. That's why a lot of eye creams have it in there, because it helps with puffiness and makes your eye area look a little bit more firm. But if you're sensitive to caffeine, be aware of that, because a lot of people are as well. And then we also have Phaseolus Angularis seed extract, which I had to look up. It's an antioxidant, emollient, and humectant, and it's a member of the red bean and lima bean family, so it's good for your eye area. Artemisia Princeps leaf, which is Korean mugwort, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Green tea. Then we've got a lot of ingredients I'm not good at pronouncing in this one. Chaenomeles sinensis, which is a good antioxidant and humectant. We've got chrysanthemum, which is a good calming, moisturizing ingredient. Copper peptide is in there. Then we've got several other peptides, panthenol, and then lecithin and sodium hyaluronate. So those are some good beneficial ingredients that are in there. Okay, so a lot of good beneficial ingredients. Okay, so animal testing. This is cruelty-free as well as vegan, like I think most Klairs products are, so that's always good to see. Performance. I like this one. It feels super lightweight, almost like you don't even have anything on, yet it feels super moisturizing at the same time, so it's kind of even hard to comprehend how something can feel super lightweight, but also very hydrating. And then once you apply it to your eye area, it really doesn't feel like you have anything on at all. So although if you have sensitive skin, do note the caffeine in there, and then that cinnamon bark extract. Cinnamon bark extract is probably in there because it's a good antioxidant, which can help brighten skin, but some people can be sensitive to it. So anyway, okay, so then in terms of the price, this is the full size, which is 20 grams or 0.7 ounces, and it retails for about $23 unless you pick it up on sale. I think I got this for $20, so not bad at all. And then the large size, I could say something like this would probably last me 4 or 5 months easy, so it's a bargain. I mean, half the drugstore eye products are more expensive than that, so that's crazy. And then in terms of the it factor, like it's a great eye cream. It will work very well for most people, except for those sensitive to caffeine or the cinnamon bark. I like that it doesn't contain denatured alcohol. It's well packaged. Probably not my absolute favorite eye cream, but it certainly is a great affordable option. And it does a great job hydrating the eye area and helping a little bit with fine lines. So, and then you can certainly use this. I like to layer it underneath like a retinol eye cream, which can help even more with fine lines and wrinkles. So, so it was a close one. So I gave this a 9 out of 10. Really close one. But anyway, I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to try this or if you've tried the sister product to this. Interested in hearing what your thoughts are on it. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Check out don'tbsbeauty.com and the Amazon link below. And thank you guys so much.